friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I am excited to share with you my end of the year post, and here I'll be talking about my favorite designs this year. And I also wanted to share with you that I made 42 different designs that were released this year, and that included a variety of crochet items from amigurumi, stuffed toys, to wearables, accessories, baby items, things like that. So be sure to check out my end of the year post in the description box below, and you will get to see all of those free patterns. Now, that is to note that some of my designs, I think out of the 42 designs, 6 of them are designs that have extra bonuses in the PDF patterns. So I do have like a free version on my blog with certain parts of or components of the pattern. But if you want to get like the full deal, then 6 of them offer those bonuses. Among the 6 of those different designs are 3 of my favorites this year, my top 3 favorites. I'm so excited to share with you. The first one is this beautiful little guy here. He's called the Mermaid Dragon. He does have a mermaid tail, and he's got little mermaid ear fins. Oh, how pretty is he? And what's awesome is that he has these lovely wings that are actually quick to work up, and they make him very huggable. So I hope you will love making my mermaid dragon if you're into fantasy and mythological creatures. I just love his little face. I think that's my favorite part of him, his little face. I plan to make some more dragons coming up, so stay tuned. There will be more in 2022. My second favorite of this year is going to be Elvira, the woodland elf here. She is one of my more complex stole patterns because she has a lot of nice little details that I would love to show you really quickly right now. She's got this hooded capelet that can come off, and as you can see, her design includes these lovely little elf ears. Pointy ears there, and I love that. I love the Fair Isle kind of designs, like the sweater designs, and since I am terrible at knitting, I tried my hand at a crochet version, and well, you can see it's a simplified version. Super simplified, but this is how it turned out. You can have a lot of fun with color changes with this doll, and I love that I was able to design her with this beautifully neat trim to her skirt. So it's not an abrupt color change. It's a very neat looking border here, I guess. And she also has these lovely little leather boots with laces and cuffs, super cute, and stockings. So this is definitely a very fun make, and here's her little crossbody bag. It's circular and you can actually fit things inside if you want. I think it's adorable, and I kind of want to make a big one for myself. So that's Elvira, the woodland elf, my second favorite design of the year. And my very last design that made it up to my top 3 patterns would be my Bluebell bunny doll. And as you can see, she's quite large, one of my bigger amigurumis for sure. And I love her design because even though it looks very simple and classic, there's a lot of more of the refined details that I added to her. So for instance, if you look at her shoe, she's got a narrower sock area and it protrudes out to her shoe. Other than these designs, she also has a lacy frill to her dress, a nice trim between her top and her dress. You'll see sort of that same effect with the shoes on the sleeves as well, with this really nice edging to it to keep the trim looking very neat and differentiated from her arm. And I'm also happy with her cute little collar and her two-tone bow. So that's Bluebell, and I love accessories, so I had to give her a cute little bag as well. Here is her carrot bag, which is actually free on my blog, so be sure to check that out if you want to make a little carrot bag too. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed taking a look at my top 3 designs of this year that I picked out myself. Of course, I do have a lot of other amigurumis or crochet projects that I really liked as well. A lot of my amigurumis this year are quite small and simple. Like, check out my little worry dolls if you like. They're little mini dolls with pouches and beds. So they're awfully great as gifts and party favors. But I wanted to share the projects that appealed to me as a designer mostly because they challenged me. So these are my 3 more complex projects of the year. So if you've stuck around in my channel, then hope you enjoyed this year with me. I am looking forward to sharing a lot more designs next year, so stay tuned for that. Alright, thank you everyone for a blessed year and have a wonderful one. Bye now!